Okay, let's quickly wrap up week 7, look at week 8. So it looks like your discussions, the majority of you got in there. There's still a few of you that need to take the quiz. So let's get that done. We are in week 8, so we only have a few weeks left of class. So I want to make sure everyone's caught up, current on their work, and we all pass this class. All right, so let's look at week 8 here. So for our 8th week of CRJ 310, Law Enforcement Operations Management, we're going to be going over the challenges facing American police today, including terrorism, gangs, drugs, illegal immigration, and hate crimes. So you're going to read from chapter 12 of your textbook and then watch your week 8 lecture. For our discussion in week 8, we will be going over the issue of combating organized crime. You will choose one type of criminal organization and provide your opinion whether or not law enforcement strategies that have been employed have been successful or not. And please go over your answer and do not forget to respond to at least one of the posts as well. We have our week 8 assignment, leadership, personnel issues, and rule of law to submit as well. For this assignment, keep in mind that law enforcement agencies, to be successful in the future, it is more important than ever for all of them, the departments, to identify, recruit, and employ well-trained and professional police force. So for making arrests, using proper use of force, understanding technological devices, dealing with individuals with mental issues, police officers are performing many different roles throughout their entire shift on a daily basis. And in their efforts to provide citizens with a properly trained and professional police force, police agencies need to know that officers are adhering to their training and operating under established policies. So this assignment, you will write a 6 to 8 page paper. Remember that 6 to 8 pages is the body of the paper. That does not include the title page or your reference page, which should be separate pages. So under your assignment instructions, it gives you the 6 different things to look for. I'll go over them briefly, what you can be writing about. The best practices that the agency should attract and hire those candidates who will be successful in their agencies. The skills needed to be imparted upon the recruits and their training in order for them to be successful. We want to identify how academies are preparing police recruits for the various duties and assignments they're going to do for their entire career. Go over 5 constraints placed on police officers and examine how these constraints affect them to conduct their operations, perform their duties, and also go over practices used by police supervisors to ensure that officers are performing professionally and within department guidelines. So remember to adhere to the Strayer writing standards of this paper, and you also have your chapter 12 quiz to complete for this week as well. So as I said, we are on week 8, so class is winding down pretty quickly. If any of you have any past work, I will accept it. So please try and get them as soon as possible. I want to make sure we all pass. Okay, so again, if you have any questions, call me, text me, or email me. Good luck to all of you in week 8.